The node portal, via the flight list, proposes a function named AOWIR, Aircraft Operator What If Reroute. In other words, what could happen to my flight if I reroute it? The AOWIR function is available to any flight, regulated or not, as long as you find the letter alpha in the whiskey column of the flight list. Some routes are proposed. Those ones are IFPS compliant and keep frozen the SID and the star font from the flight plan. If the alternate route proposed does not suit you, you can deselect the option Freeze SID and star and click on Generate. Several alternative routes are proposed. In the error column, will be indicated in orange if the generated routes are usable or not. We can see in our example that some will create a bed shift delay, some would create an overload in another sector and are not considered as suitable, and some are okay. Remark concerning the max shift delay and the bed shift delay. This bed shift delay indicates that the alternate route evaluated generates a delay more important than the one declared in the max shift delay box. This figure is by default the current delay, but this one can be changed by you to indicate the maximum minutes of delay that you are ready to accept. For each route, the categories concerning the different portions of the route will be indicated: ATS, CDR1, CDR2. Also indicated the new takeoff time, the new delay, and the difference versus the current ones. To help you to take your decision, other info are also available: the estimated elapsed time, the route length, the FCI, the fuel consumption indicator, the RCI, the route charge indicator, and the differences between the alternative route and the current one. If no route suits you, the AOWIR offers other possibilities to generate and test alternative routes. We know that we can ask the system to generate a route keeping, freezing, or not the terminal procedure, the SID or star, as we did before. The same function is also available asking the rerouting function to generate a route transiting via a point, via an airspace, or avoiding a point, avoiding an airspace. There is also the possibility to generate alternative route avoiding vertically a specific airspace. A suitable alternative route can also be prepared by selecting the alternative route, clicking on Create New. A new window gives you the possibility to make any change on the route proposed and test it. As said before, all the routes proposed are by default IFPS compliant. You could select a route with an IFPS error and correct it before testing it. This Create New option gives you also the possibility to test your own route by importing those routes manually in the system. When a route is considered as suitable for you, two options are available: Apply Book or Apply File. You will find the explanation in the tutorial named AOWIR. Apply.